Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. You're looking at vault covers to water shutoff valves. And if you've done any plumbing around your house, you might be familiar with these. So if you need to turn off water in your home to do plumbing, you might be lucky enough to have a valve in, let's say, a basement like you see here that you could just easily twist and turn off your water. But if you don't have one of these, then you may have to turn off your water at the street or outside your home at these water mains. And so how do you do that? Well, that's what I'm going to show you today. So you will need a couple of things to do this by. First, you'll need a water meter key, as you can see here. You could pick these up at most hardware stores for around $15 to $20. There's a T-handle up on top by which you twist the key, and a U-shaped hook on the bottom by which you connect to the valve itself. If you don't have a water meter key handy, you could also use just a crescent wrench with a screwdriver. And if you want to get really fancy, you could use a 4-in-1 emergency tool, as you see here. And of course, a pair of sturdy gloves never hurts. Okay, to turn off your water, you'll first need to remove the vault cover. There might be one or two. You can do this with a screwdriver or the T-end of the shut-off key, or even just your finger. If the cover is secured with a bolt, contact your local utility for assistance. You may need to clear away spider webs. And definitely watch for spiders, especially the poisonous variety, before you stick your hands in the vault. So inside the vault you should see the water meter and the valve handle, which should be a chunk of metal that looks like a negative sign that runs parallel to the pipe. You might also see a couple of rings on the valve, which a utility uses to secure locks if they shut off the water themselves. So all you need to do to turn off the water is to connect the end of the key to the valve handle and turn either a quarter or a half a turn clockwise. Clockwise to turn the water off, counterclockwise to turn the water back on. You might discover that you actually have two valves in your vault. In this case, there'll be one for the city shutoff and one for the homeowner. You will want to shut off the one for the homeowner, which will be closest to your house, away from the street. And then when you're all done, you may want to clean off the rim to the cover so it will fit nice and secure. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.